AI agents have become the talk of the tech world lately, and for good reason. These autonomous programs are revolutionizing how we work, automating tasks that once required human intervention. But what exactly are AI agents, and should you be paying attention to them? Let's dive deep into this fascinating technology that's reshaping our digital landscape. Think of AI agents as your digital assistants on steroids. They're software platforms that allow you to create, deploy, and manage autonomous programs that can handle repetitive tasks without constant human oversight. Unlike traditional automation tools, AI agents can understand context, adapt to changing situations, and make decisions based on complex parameters. The beauty of modern AI agent platforms is their accessibility. Most of them are no-code tools, meaning you don't need to be a programming wizard to use them. If you can create a step-by-step list of instructions that you'd give to an intern or assistant, you can probably automate it with an AI agent. But here's where it gets interesting. The current wave of AI agents isn't just about simple task automation. These tools are becoming increasingly sophisticated, capable of handling complex workflows that previously required human judgment. For instance, some AI agents can now manage entire marketing campaigns, analyze customer data, and even write basic code. Let's talk about what makes a good AI agent platform. First, you need robust integration capabilities. The best platforms can seamlessly connect with various large language models like GPT-4, Claude, or Gemini, as well as popular software APIs. This allows them to leverage the power of multiple AI models while working with your existing tech stack. Cost is another crucial factor. AI agents typically operate on a credit-based system, where each API call or action costs a small amount. While individual actions might cost pennies, these can quickly add up when you're running multiple automated workflows. Some platforms require you to bring your own API keys, while others include the cost in their pricing. Security is paramount when dealing with AI agents. Since these tools often handle sensitive business data, you need to ensure they have robust security measures in place. Look for platforms that offer data encryption, access controls, and clear policies about how they handle your information. The speed and reliability of AI agent platforms can vary significantly. Some platforms execute tasks almost instantly, while others might take longer due to the complexity of their operations or the number of API calls they need to make. It's essential to test different platforms to find one that meets your performance requirements. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Will AI agents take our jobs? The short answer is no, at least not entirely. What we're seeing is a shift in how work gets done. AI agents are excellent at handling routine, repetitive tasks, but they still need human oversight and direction. They're tools that augment human capabilities rather than replace them entirely. Think about it this way. When spreadsheet software became widespread, it didn't eliminate accountants. Instead, it changed how they worked, allowing them to focus on more strategic tasks while automating calculations. AI agents are following a similar pattern. They're taking over the mundane aspects of our work, freeing us to focus on tasks that require creativity, emotional intelligence, and strategic thinking. The real power of AI agents lies in their ability to scale operations without proportionally increasing human resources. A small business owner can now automate customer service responses, social media management, and basic data analysis, tasks that might have previously required multiple employees or countless hours of manual work. However, it's important to note that not all AI agent platforms are created equal. The market is currently flooded with tools claiming to offer AI agent capabilities, but many are simply rebranded automation tools with basic AI features tacked on. When evaluating platforms, look for those with proven track records, strong customer support, and active development communities. The future of AI agents is incredibly promising. As language models become more sophisticated and integration capabilities expand, we'll likely see AI agents handling increasingly complex tasks. They might soon be able to manage entire business processes, make basic decisions autonomously, and even collaborate with other AI agents to achieve complex goals. But here's the key takeaway. AI agents are tools, not replacements. They're most effective when used to enhance human capabilities rather than replace them entirely. The most successful implementations of AI agents are those that focus on augmenting human work rather than trying to eliminate it. For businesses and individuals looking to stay competitive in the coming years, understanding and implementing AI agents will become increasingly important. Start by identifying repetitive tasks in your workflow that could be automated. Look for AI agent platforms that align with your needs and technical capabilities. Begin with simple automations and gradually expand as you become more comfortable with the technology. Remember, the goal isn't to replace human workers, but to make them more effective and efficient. AI agents should handle the routine so humans can focus on what they do best: creative problem-solving, strategic thinking, and building meaningful relationships with customers and colleagues. The rise of AI agents represents a significant shift in how we work, but it's an evolution, not a revolution. By embracing these tools thoughtfully and strategically, we can harness their power to create more efficient, productive, and fulfilling work environments. The future isn't about humans versus AI, it's about humans and AI working together to achieve better results than either could alone.